Hi, buddy. Wanna go in the bushes? Let's go, bud. Let's go. So I haven't made a video in a while, since we've been home, actually, or in Lisbon. So I thought I'd show you one of my favorite little hiking spots. It's actually just a nice little walk. You can continue on and make it a big hike if you'd like. The only unfortunate thing is now this walk is popular. I used to come here and it was overgrown and there was never any people here. And now you'll usually always run into people. Runs right beside the river. Let's go have a look. You can go that way, it just brings you up to the road. We go this way. Well, it brings you to a road closer and the ability to go down to the water. So you can see it's a nice little path. One major difference between hiking, walking here at home and in Madeira. The temperature, yes, Art's behind me, but you have to keep your ears peeled and your eyes and sense for animals here in BC that could eat you. In Madeira, it took us a while to get used to just walking in the bush and not having to worry about any of that stuff. It is nice here. It's one of my favorite little trails. Do bring a leash for your dogs in case you come across other people. I tend to just call out that we're friendly, and now I'm only down to one dog anyway, so one's at home on her little deathbed, so she doesn't get to come out anymore. Well, Louie, you like it? Is it good, Louie? Lou, hey? It's a good time? Yeah? No? Yeah, he likes it. So there's a little path here, and you can go down to the water. Usually this gives you a lot more beach in the spring and the summer. This is a great place. Dogs can come and have a little swim. It's quite rapid over there. This is quite flooded because usually you can go right on all of those rocks right there. It's good, bud. Oh. So we're gonna head up to the jumping bridge, which is on the other side here, and across. This is where, in the summer especially, you'll come and lots of people have little picnics and stuff here on this little beach, where it used to be nobody came here. So we'll make our way back up. Louis can show you how steep it is. He does have bad legs. That's the way we came. We're gonna go this way. So I think this trail used to not be so busy because you could actually drive down on the other side. But years ago that got washed out. So now people that want to come through the jumping bridge go this way if they're going on the hike, and there's an additional hike that way. So you can go Louis way easy, little rock climbing way. He's around, he's fine. Jumping bridge. You can also make your way, it's a long way down, from the other side this way. Let me show you the bridge. So, come on people, clean up your mess. Bring it in, take it out. So this is the deteriorating bridge. Make our way over to this side here. Very, very high river. Usually in this area here you can make your way down. There's a little sandbar. People sometimes camp over in that area. And this is the side that is for jumping. This little notch out here. Down there. No thanks. Something I've never done, never had an inkling to do. Don't really understand the whole peer pressure. I'm doing it, but I think people have gotten hurt, but I don't think any like fatalities have happened. I'd have to look that up. Have you ever jumped off the bridge? Nope. Because you're smart? It's lovely rainy weather. It's been raining since we got home, which is depressing as F. So there is a little side trail over here, right here, that you can go down if you want to go to that little sandbar. Maybe we'll go down there after. This way, Lou. We're going to continue on around down to the river. This is the road that people used to come down, but it has been washed out a couple years ago, hey? 5 years ago? And they never rebuilt it. Again, people! God damn it. That's why I usually bring a bag with me to pick up trash. So you can come down this road here. Used to be a road, sorry. People used to come and drive down here and park their trailers and campers and camp here. Now it's been washed out, so you can't do that. Some people built a nice little bridge. This is actually a beautiful little space to come because this freezes. Yeah. This freezes in the winter and it's quite pretty. I'm going to try and see if I can zoom in. Maybe I'll go to the other side. Louie, you leave that fish alone. Oh, no, he doesn't see it at all. This is from ATVs. Which should be banned. And then here is the actual hike, and I keep calling it a river, and it is a creek, Hirsch Creek. This is a nice little hike. We're not going that way, bud. Come on. Norwegians and your walking poles welcome. We're just going to continue this way and go right down to the Rapid Creek. Doesn't sound as good as Rapid River. Walk among the river, creek. So here, and again, this is quite high. Usually it's a lot more bed. There's somebody else out for a walk up on the bridge. With a pooch. Yeah. This will carry you away. And you can kind of wander around and investigate. This all just loops around. I've done it before. There's actually a little road trail that'll take you up kind of the back way. Sometimes that's my favorite thing to do, is just wander around in the bush. Pardon?
So take the back one?
Yeah. So we thought we'd show you a little bit of the actual hiking trail. This typically is a very wet, muddy trail, even in the summer. So make sure to wear proper shoes. Bring a change of socks. And it's a nice, easy trail to my standards. There's one section that is quite steep, And then you just come up to all the old logging roads at the top. You can walk all the way around and come out on Forest Ave, or typically people just walk back down
There's too much water
to go up there. Oh,
the eagles.
Art had said let's go this way because he could hear the eagles. What are they singing?
Hotel California.
So it's a nice little canvas in here. It's not as wet as out in the open. Canopy. My grammar coach here. People would expect nothing less than improper English on my videos. Is that improper for me to say improper? So there's one nice little clearing spot, and that's where we're going to go to. And we'll show you the river from that area. Creek, my God. It's nice listening to the water. It's very full. Lots of puddles. And again, if you just want to have a nice walk, you can just come to like this opening space here. Ooh, log jammer. Usually get right to the water. And a lot of people will come here and swim on this side. It's big and open. Pretty. It's nice and serene and quiet. Hey, bud. Just for those that are curious, if you continue on, here's the start of the hike. We have a great hiking community here that makes sure that all of these trails are maintained and builds little bridges. So that's the way you go. But we're just on a nice morning walk for our guy, Louie. He cannot hike anymore. He loves to, but his legs are too bad. So now we'll head back. Maybe try and snap a picture of the spawning fish and commence with our day. So that's our first hike, walk back in Kitimat.
It's raining.
It's raining
A lot.
a lot. We will get back to vlogging and try and come up with some cool things to film around where we live rather than where we want to live.
Where we wish we lived, yeah.
Yeah. Juicy juicy.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.